Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on group chats on your WeChat app. We will go to turn on this mic or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here. You just click here on settings, then you come to settings window, then you click here on friends permissions, and you come to next window here, then you just click here on methods for friending me, and you come to next window here, then you come here to group chat. You will click here on this mark, and like you say, color it show for us, that's mean group chat it's turned on now. So that's all you have to do to turn on this mark on your WeChat app. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish know you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.